In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate Amazon affiliate link in mobile. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser. So I'm going to use Chrome, and here you need to search for Amazon and you need to log in into your Amazon account. So as you can see that I already log in. Then you need to click on three dots and click on desktop site. So now you can see that once you are on desktop site, you simply need to select any product. So I'm going to select this one for example, and I'm going to select a random product from here. So this one for example, let me zoom in, and on the top you can see Amazon associate site strip. So you simply need to click on get link text, and once you click here you will see that let me show you. So here you can see the link. You simply need to copy that link and you can share that link anywhere wherever you want. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.